Hello everyone, welcome to Vegan Life in Trivandrum. In today's video, I'll be sharing recipe of Attukal Pongala vegan payasam. Yes, it's a vegan payasam because I won't be adding ghee to it. Every year, millions and millions of women throng the streets of Trivandrum to offer their devotion to Attukal Amma. And this tradition has been going on since many years now. From the time this tradition started, the time is different now. We as humans have evolved and have so much different technologies by which we can celebrate our festivals without harming any animals. So let's start the recipe of Attukal Pongala vegan payasam. I have taken 1 cup of Onakal ari. This particular glass has been used to measure all the ingredients. So you can also use the same method. Whichever cup or glass you are using, you can measure all the ingredients with that glass. I have washed this onakalari with 3 water. I have taken same quantity of jaggery powder, half the quantity of grated coconut, and same half quantity of sliced banana, 5 raisins, 3-4 leaves of tulsi, 2 cardamom. With the same glass, I have measured the quantity of water as well. I have taken 5 glasses of water. If you think it will take 6, please use 6 glasses of water. Let's boil the water. Once water gets boiled, it's time to add the rice to it. Let's cook the rice to 75% by closing it with a lid. In between, keep stirring the rice. This is my first time I'm preparing Attukal Pongala Payasam at home. So after preparing it, I felt that it is a good idea to have a deep vessel for cooking this payasam so that the water doesn't spill out. The rice has cooked to 75%. And as you can see, little bit water is still there. Now is the time to add the jaggery powder and let's mix it properly. Now let's add the coconut. Add bananas, raisins and cardamom and give it a proper mix. Now let's switch off the gas and keep this payasam covered for some time. It will cook by itself with its own heat. Since we are putting Pongala at home, at the time of nivedyam, we can place tulsi leaves in boiled water and add that water along with tulsi on our Pongala, and our Pongala is ready to offer to Devi. As seen in the video, I have not added a single drop of ghee to this Pongala. There is a reason behind it, and the reason is ghee is obtained from bovine milk. Yes, it is obtained from either buffalo or cow milk, and no cow who is actually a mother of a calf willingly gives the milk. We are forcing that cow to be in our confinement, and then forcefully we are taking the milk which is used in preparing ghee out of that milk. This is the tradition that we have been following, but these days it has been industrialized. So many ghee brands are there, as can be seen in the screen. And this is the way milk is taken from cow's udder. Just imagine anything like this done to a female human person. Cows and buffaloes are sentient beings. That is, they are capable of experiencing happiness and joy. Not only that, they are also intelligent beings. Because these creatures are tameable, we are exploiting them so badly. Just imagine these things happening to humans. is it okay? That what is done by our ancestors. We don't need to follow that in the name of tradition. We are capable of modifying the tradition which suits maximum of living beings. Let's think about it and live in harmony with all the beings around us. To know more about this, watch the video Why I Became Vegan. I'll share the link in the description below. I think the video was capable to create discomfort in your mind as change is difficult. But what do you think? Can't we change so that these innocent cows and buffaloes are freed from humans' shackles? Can't we change for better health? Can't we change to see them happy and free? Do consider this, and to know other reasons of going vegan, please watch the video Why I Became Vegan. I will share the link in the description below. For more such eye-opening video, please consider subscribing to this channel, like and share among your dear and near ones. See you in the next video. Till then, bye and take care.